Madhavi. I'm from Alapi. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you. My name is Nattavar.
Into India's national progress and growing global presence. As a state, we have been contributing to propel India's economic growth and development further as a step in that direction. We are blessed to be born in a state that has been bestowed with an abundance of natural resources and has helped position Meghalaya as a gateway of trade, investment, and shared prosperity.